friends. Hello friends. My name is YD Khode, lecturer in mechanical department, Government Podindore. Today's topic is steam boiler. So it's a very important topic actually. The learning outcomes are generating of steam generating device, identify the types of boiler, understanding working principle and working of boiler. So what is a boiler? Boiler is a closed vessel in which water is heated and steam is generated. In short, it is a steam generator. In day to day life, how can we generate the steam? We can understand this concept with very simple example. Just say it. What is this? It is a pressure cooker which we are using in day to day life. It's very simple. With the help of steam, we can generate the steam from in the pressure cooker. In short, we can call as a steam generator as a pressure cooker. So there is a main classification of boilers: water tube boilers and fire tube boilers. As name indicates, water inside tubes, that's why it's called as a water tube boiler, and fire surrounded to it. The example is Babcock and Wilcox boiler. And what is fire tube boiler? A fire inside the tubes and water surrounded to it is called a water tube boiler. Water tube boiler. Example we have already seen Babcock and Wilcox boiler. The working principle is very simple. Because of the natural circulation, it occurs. If you understand the concept, what is natural circulation? We have to take the example of solar water heater, in which water is circulated by the natural circulation. How? When sunrise falls on the tubes, it, the water will get heated, and because of the density difference, the hot water will come upper layer of the water drum, and cold water remains at the bottom of the drum, and this cycle is repeated till the saturation point will come. So this is the overview of water tube and Babcock Wilcox boiler. So I hope you get the concept of basic principle on which the Babcock and Wilcox boiler is working. So thank you very much in these slides, and thank you very much.